In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background like that. Now, the problem with Motorola is that when you click on the icon of an app, you won't see split screen option. To make it available, you need to pick a different app, it can be a random one, and launch it in the background as well. So now when you click on the icon of the first one, you will see split screen option appear. I have no idea where it works like that, because when I click on split screen, I can tap on any other app, not only the one I just opened, to even get to split screen. So yeah, just a quick disclaimer, tap on the second one and enjoy using both at once. Now, if you want to exit split screen, you can go into the background and swipe it like you would any other app, or hold this line in the middle and drag it all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on home button to close the remaining one. Quick tip, you can always go into settings and scroll to tap on gestures. Then select this Motorola option called 3-finger swipe to split. Use this switcher to activate it and tap on try it out to learn how to use it. And you can close it the same way as you would any other split screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!